Hello friends, I'm Miriam Hippolito, a Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, we'll discuss what economic indicators are and how they affect the Forex market. Economic indicators are statistical data reflecting a country's current economic condition. They help traders and investors assess the economic situation and predict future currency movements. Indicators are divided into three categories: leading, coincident, and lagging indicators. Leading indicators predict future economic activity. An example is the Conference Board Leading Economic Index, which includes metrics such as the number of new orders and building permits. Growth in this index may signal an upcoming economic expansion, which usually leads to the strengthening of the national currency. Coincident indicators reflect the current state of the economy. One such indicator is Gross Domestic Product, GDP, which measures the total value of goods and services produced. GDP growth indicates economic strength and can lead to an appreciation of the national currency. Lagging indicators change after the economy has already entered a certain phase. A typical example is the unemployment rate. A decline in unemployment usually confirms economic growth, but its impact appears with some delay. For Forex traders, it is important to consider the following key economic indicators. Consumer Price Index, CPI, reflects changes in retail prices of goods and services, serving as the primary measure of inflation. Central bank interest rates influence borrowing costs and the attractiveness of a national currency for investors. Unemployment rate shows the percentage of unemployed people in the workforce, affecting consumer spending and economic activity. Understanding and analyzing these indicators allow traders to make informed decisions, predict currency movements, and develop effective trading strategies. However, it's essential to remember that the Forex market is influenced by multiple factors, and no single indicator can guarantee success. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Traders Union channel to get more valuable insights into the world of finance and investments. See you soon.